CRCL stock analysis, 1st of July. How exactly am I going to be playing this? All that good jazz. Click the first link in the description to find out. Mainly now I'm going to show you, but the source is in the description. With CRCL, unless there is a proper shift and a double break, there's just going to be no way that I'm going to look to buy. You might start to, you know, I overcomplicate stuff, but it's really not that deep, man. Like even here, 15 results that I've got in the Discord regarding CRCL, because it's not just the current one, like the price actions and all that beforehand also do count. Because I don't know if you remember this, but when it was 76 bucks, guess who was here taking advantage of it? Well, me. It was me 3 weeks back. So unless there's a double break, there's no one buying, very simply put. And yeah, if you want to learn the intricacies, the basics, and leverage 5 years of knowledge in like literally hours, click the first link below. Get all the juicy sauce. 100 people have gotten it, and it's risk free.